Welcome back to the channel. I got some more tool deals for you guys. In case you didn't know, Harbor Freight is having another parking lot sale, and this is going to start Monday, June 3rd through June 6th. That's going to be for the Inside Track Club members, and then everyone saves Friday, June 7th through Sunday, June 9th. So everybody knows the parking lot sale is usually where they give some of the best deals at Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and check out the deals. All right, guys, so first up, they got the Predator 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator. Really nice generator, especially if you guys are looking for some affordable backup power in case your power goes out at your house. Coming in at $629. And just so you guys know, they do have a Harbor Freight credit card, no interest, 0% interest on the purchase amount. You know, you can do 12 equal monthly payments. We're all flexible with the credit card, so I like that a lot. Just in case you guys are making a big purchase there, you don't want to pay that huge price up front, you can look into that credit card. So up next, we got some US General. So 30-inch 5-drawer mechanic cart coming in at a $199. So $200 for this. US General is a really nice option when it comes to any toolboxes or mechanic carts like these. I love how they have the multiple different colors also. Really affordable, built well. Got the Chicago Electric welder down here for $90. We've seen this one before. Got the titanium. This is a really nice welder also. Nice, easy, portable welder. $129.99. I think I've seen this get as low as $124. Still a decent deal there. Got some Warrior titanium drill bits, 29 piece, $10. Pittsburgh rapid floor jack. This is the 3-ton. Low profile for $100. Got the Badlands off-road jack. I like these with the oversized tires on it. This is a pretty nice jack. $250 for that one. Got the Braun 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable light. $16.99. Decent deal there. You got your 12,000 pound Badlands winch for $300. And then over here on the far right, we got a Fortress deal. So buy a compressor for $399.99. You get air-packed impact wrench for free. So it's $119 value. You'll be able to pick up either the 27-gallon compressor or the 26-gallon compressor. And then if you do, you get a free Earthquake XT impact wrench with that one. And these Fortress compressors are really nice. Got some Bauer deals going on. Have this going on for a while. If you buy the battery and charger starter kit for $90, you can pick up one of these free tools. So if you guys are looking to get into the Bauer power tool line, this might be a good opportunity. They've been doing this deal for a while now, along with the Hercules deal. And then all the way at the bottom here, we got the Flag for $376. You got your ammo boxes, the plastic box for about $3. Some zip ties, always a nice pickup there. 250 aluminum pop-up lantern. Definitely recommend getting one of these. I've got a few of them in my house. $3.50. Not a bad deal. Got a power outage or something. These come in super handy. And we got the Hardy gloves and then some batteries over here on the far right. Your choice. 24-pack, AA or AAA, coming in under $2. All right, guys. So next up, another US General product. This is the 27 by 22 inch roll cabs. Another nice pickup by US General, coming in at $369.99. These were $399. Like I said earlier, if you guys don't like paying that money up front, you can use their credit card there. So here's the US General peg style socket trays coming in at $16. We got the Quinn 61 piece socket set coming in at $150. Then down here we got some Pittsburgh tools, 301 piece tool set here for $170. Got the 225 piece for $100. And then we got the 7-piece ratchet and combination wrench set. These are always nice to have, coming at $19. And then the Impact deep socket set. This is the 13-piece half-inch for $19. Got some Daytona stuff here. We got the Daytona 3-ton low-profile floor jack coming in at $130. And I actually wanted to pick some of these up. These are the 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands by Daytona. Pretty good price at $58. Now, when you guys go to your local Harbor Freight store, they will have some other stuff going on, some clearance liquidation sales going on with up to 78% off. Hundreds of discounted open box, as is closeout, factory condition, scratch and dent, stuff like that. Each store is going to have a little bit different variety of stuff and the amount of stuff they have, but it's going to be on a first come, first serve basis. So if you guys are part of the ITC Inside Track Club members, you guys are going to get first dibs on these. So that's pretty nice. You usually pick up some pretty good deals on these liquidation sales also. So make sure you check that out when you go to your local Harbor Freight. Over here we got the Pittsburgh foldable shop crane coming in at $300. Got the Centec charger and jump starter for $40. These are really nice, these little small jump packs here, the power bank. This is the Viking, $75 for this, 1000 peak. You throw this in a glove compartment. Doesn't take up a lot of space, but they pack a lot of punch. Here's the Vulcan welder. This is the multi-process welder coming in at $900. Got some Hardy gloves again. These are the rubber gloves, 100 pack for $5. Not a bad pickup. Got the canopy here for $179. Foldable work light by Braun for $20. And then we got some welding wire for $15. And then as we get to the bottom page here, we got some tarps, $3. Can't beat that. These aren't going to last a long time if they're outdoors, but they come in handy and they're not very expensive. We got some microfiber cleaning cloths for under $4. Got the socket driver set 3-piece under $2. Magnetic tool holder. These are nice. The moving blankets. I use these a lot depending on what I'm doing. Coming in under $6. This is a 72-inch by 80-inch. And then also the 6-inch magnetic parts holder. Under $2 for that one. Another nice pickup for you guys working on projects like your car or something like that. All right, so next up, guys, we got some deals on Hercules. Buy a battery and charger starter kit for $100. So this is the 5 amp hour battery, if I'm not mistaken. Get the charger, $100. You can pick up one of these free tools, up to $160 value. Like I said, they've been having these deals going on for a while. I'm sure there's a lot of people that took advantage of the Bauer and Hercules deals because these are pretty good deals. Got some more Hercules stuff down here. We got the 15 amp breaker hammer coming in at $550. Got the Ultra Torque half-inch impact wrench. This is the kit, and this one is coming in at $210. And then all the way to the right here, we got the bandsaw coming in at $100 by Hercules. Not a bad pickup. Got some more Bauer stuff here. So we got the half-inch drill driver kit. This one's coming in at $50. They also got the hammer drill driver kit for $55. They got the variable speed drywall sander for $100. We also have the polisher sander. This is the short throw for $40. Random orbit palm sander for $15. And then we got the angle grinder coming in at $25. Got some Warrior step bits. I've used these tons of times. These are a really good pickup for only $10. They got the 2-piece and then they have a 3-piece also. Another item I got here is the Franklin 17-foot reach multitask ladder. Love this thing. Coming in at $100. Really good deal. And then they got the 4-in-1 convertible hand truck. $175 for this one. Got the compactor for $600. Got some fans here. Either your pedestal fan or the floor fan coming in at $110. And then we got the Yukon hardwood workbench coming in at $150. And then all the way at the bottom here, we got the 10-inch pneumatic tire coming in at $5. Got the tape measure. I got a few of these in the shop. Not too bad for only $2. Got your glasses here. These are safety glasses in yellow, clear, or the smoke, as you guys see here, for under $1. We got the 6-inch quick release bar clamp, under $3 for that one. Titanium drill bit set, 13-piece for under $5. And then we have the 4.5-inch cutoff wheels. This is a 10-pack. Nice pickup here for under $6. All right, guys, we got some more generators here. Got a little variety. Predator 9500 super quiet. Another nice generator here coming in at $1,900. So right next to that, we got the 9,000 watt generator. So this isn't going to have the technology that the super quiet inverter generators have. That's why it's coming in a little bit cheaper. This one's going to be a lot louder also. Coming in at $679, but in a pinch, this still will be fine powering your house. Over here is the smaller, more portable 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator coming in at $549. Nice pickup there. Over to the left here, we got some Portland stuff. We got the 9.5-inch electric pole saw. $50 for that. And then we got the chainsaw corded coming in at $37. Got the Bauer 2000 PSI electric pressure washer, $170. Not a bad pickup there. Next to that, we got the garden hose for $30. And then we got the LED string lights coming in at $20. These are pretty nice. Got the steel ammo can. I like this one for $10. The hand sprayer for $40. And then the TV wall mount coming in at $30. So right here we have the Fortress 1 gallon, 135 PSI ultra quiet compressor, $130 for this one. And then we got the 2 gallon right below that for $160. Over here we got the 8 gallon McGraw coming in at $140. 21 gallon for $250. And then we got the 6 gallon McGraw here coming in at $110. Central pneumatic retractable hose reel, $70. 50 foot of rubber air hose coming in at $18. And then this is the Merlin accessory kit. Get everything you need. Get the little coil hose, some attachments there, coming in at $17. And as we get to the bottom page, we got the 200 lumen LED super bright flip light. These are pretty nice, $200. Got the latex dipped work gloves under $2. The rubber wheel chalk under $5. 12-inch tool bag for $4. Fiberglass hammers, your choice, the claw or the rip, for under $4. And then the multi-use transfer pump coming in at under $4. All right, guys, so there you go. The next parking lot sale at Harbor Freight starting June 3rd all the way to June 9th. So in case you guys didn't know, those are all the deals that's going to be going on at the next parking lot sale. So hopefully, guys, found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the parking lot sale. Love to hear it. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. On until the next one, guys. I will talk to you later.